Welcome to the market update. The S&P/ASX 200 index is currently trading down 0.7% to 6,602. Mesoblast shares have hit a 10-month high after the Melbourne biotech company partnered with a German pharmaceutical giant to commercialise its stem cell-based treatment for chronic lower back pain. Mesoblast, which had just $16.7 million in revenue last year, said it could conceivably receive as much as $1 billion from the deal if the treatment is successful. Shares are now trading up 17.9% at $1.72. TPG Telecom has told the federal court that it has no plans to roll out a standalone mobile network if it fails to revive its proposed $15 billion merger with Vodafone Hutchison Australia. TPM shares last down 0.7% to $6.72 after a 5% jump yesterday. Business conditions in Australia are at their lowest level since September 2014, according to the latest NAB survey. Business conditions and confidence have slipped even further below their long-term trend despite the removal of political uncertainty. Forward-looking measures such as new orders point to further deterioration in coming months, and despite a pickup in August, retail remains the weakest sector while mining is the strongest. Moving to the US, stocks finished mixed as investors ditched the companies behind the latest risk-on rally, while sovereign bond yields rose in Europe and America. The Dow rose 0.1%, the S&P 500 closed just below break-even at 2,978 to end a three-day winning streak. Lastly, the Nasdaq slipped 0.2%. Caterpillar was the biggest contributor to the Dow's gains, jumping 3.7% in its best one-day performance since January 4. We saw JP Morgan Chase climb 2.5%, Citigroup advance 4.3%, and Bank of America gain 3.3%. The gains in bank stocks come as Treasury yields traded higher. The benchmark 10-year rate traded at 1.63%, while the 2-year yield rose to 1.58%. Have a great afternoon.